Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Arabic Blooms. If you are asking or wondering which Arabic do I learn first, standard Arabic or local dialects, this video is for you. Hello, this is Radwa, the founder of arabicblooms.com and a professional Arabic teacher who taught thousands of students. In this video, I'm going to guide you and show you exactly what you need to do, step by step, if you decided to learn Arabic, whatever your goal is. So keep watching. First of all, let's make things clear. When someone asks this question, which Arabic do I learn, you get the feeling that there is more than a language here. You see, the question itself has a problem. The truth is, there is only one language, which is the standard Arabic, modern standard Arabic, and everything else is a dialect. There's no such thing as Egyptian Arabic, Moroccan Arabic, Syrian Arabic. These are all dialects. And even the classical Arabic is no different from MSA, the standard Arabic, except for some additional words and phrases used in the Quran, the Holy Book of Islam, and Arabic literature. I wanted to make it clear for you, not just because I'm a native Arabic speaker, but also as a professional teacher who taught thousands of students, as I said before, and solved their problems. So what is your biggest problem? Are you confused by what other people are saying, like no one speaks modern standard Arabic and that the dialect is much easier with less grammar cases and stuff like that? Now here is my advice to you. Study the basic level of modern standard Arabic and then pick the dialect that you want. Why you should at least study the basic level of modern standard Arabic before learning any dialect? Well, first of all, you will be less confused when you learn any dialect. At least you will know the main root of the word and how it has evolved or changed to become a dialect. Or if you heard a weird word, you will know that it's not an Arabic word and it came from another language, for example. Number 2, you will form any sentence on your own according to the basic and simple grammar or structure that you learned in standard Arabic. So it's much easier for you. Number 3, you will be able to read and write any Arabic word written anywhere and not confused by weird writing systems like Franco-Arabic, which is used by a group of young people in Arab countries. Number 4, you will master Arabic pronunciation. When you pronounce the Arabic sounds correctly, you can speak any dialect you want and you will sound like a native speaker. There are a lot of reasons why you should learn modern standard Arabic. I will leave a link in the description below if you want to know more about this topic. Not just because 255 million people worldwide speak Arabic, or because Arabic is one of the most popular languages in the world, or because it's rich in history and vocabulary, or a very wanted skill in many professions. And yes, standard Arabic is the linguistic thread that connects the Arab world. It is also because what it does to your brain. You know, Arabic makes you smarter. It improves logic. Like when you learn the root system and its mathematical grammar, it's very rich in vocabulary. The structure of the sentence is flexible. Sometimes you start your sentence with a noun, other times you can start with a verb. Playing with the order of words in a sentence to give different meanings is really amazing. It makes you feel the language. And slowly, the treasures of Arabic will reveal to you if you learn it the right way. So here's a step by step what you should do to start learning Arabic. Number 1, learn the Arabic alphabet. Learn the 28 letters and how they are connected. Learn the 3 short and long vowels and start writing words with your own hands. As you know, Arabic is written from right to left, and it's really a phonetic language. Arabic is pronounced exactly the way it's written. Same spelled, same written. Number 2, master Arabic sounds and pronunciation. A great tip to do that after learning the alphabet is to pronounce the sounds in words Don't practice the sound alone. Say it in words. That way you will pronounce the consonant with a vowel or without a vowel correctly. And other thing, you will learn new words on the way. So it's a win-win. Number 3, learn the basic structure of Arabic. Just learning some basic grammar rules can help you very much. No need to go deeper in grammar before applying what you've already learned, like learning the root system and pattern, some verbs conjugations, and stuff like that. These are so basic, and you have to learn them. Number 4, learn phrases. When you study sentences and repeat them exactly as they sound, to be able to say them in a specific situation is a great way and a very quick way to learn Arabic. When you study sentences, it also sends a quick message to your brain that you are speaking a new language. It boosts your self-confidence and makes you move forward and learn more. Number 5, practice with a professional native speaker. Practice with someone who is a native speaker and make sure he or she is a professional to help you out and accelerate your learning process and also give you a great feedback. Now, if you are ready, it's time to pick your favorite dialect. Here are things to consider when you start learning a dialect. Number 1, try not to be confused. I've seen a lot of students who started with dialects and came back to modern standard Arabic. They were confused. They gave up on their Arabic learning because they were confused which word is modern standard and which one is a dialect. So try not to be confused. Try to take notes. Which word is the dialect and which one is the modern standard Arabic. Number 2, you have to consider that dialects will change by time. Of course, you know that Arabic language, the modern standard, is historic, it's really old, it has never changed, it doesn't change, and it will never be changed. But dialects, they changed by time. So you have to consider that this dialect you're learning right now, maybe it will be different 10 years, 20 years from now, it will be different. Number 3, choose a specific dialect, because even the dialect of a certain country has different forms. For example, the Egyptian dialect is not one dialect. There are different forms, like one for Cairo and Giza, the other one is for Said, and so on. So they sound different with different words and phrases, so be careful not to be confused by the dialect you are learning. You have to be specific which dialect of which region that you want to learn, and then you go from there, find someone that can help you, and practice speaking from day 1. Now you know that learning modern standard Arabic will benefit you in many ways. It will indeed make you smarter. Come on, using all the muscles in your sound system, improving logic and activating both sides of your brain, it's not just a spoken language. It's definitely more than that. Now, here is my question for you. What are the 3 biggest challenges you have right now that are keeping you from learning Arabic? Write them down and leave your comment. I will be happy to help you and answer all your questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.